show you how to fix the 6C110 Canon cam valve sensor error. So 6C110 error occurs because of the cam valve sensor, because the cam is not turning, cam valve is not turning. So I've disassembled my ip3680 top part, not the entire thing, and I removed the power button panel here to obtain what is happening. So the basic problem is, this is the cam valve here, these are the two valves, and this is the cam that turns the valves. So and the cam valve sensor is located here, you can see that this is the cam valve sensor. Sensor is basically a switch that is located right there. You can see that part is the switch, that little notch like thing. You can press that. Okay, it's pressed. So basically, see, that's the cam valve. See, that's the cam valve sensor. This rotates, and it touches that switch. You see? Okay, that's the cam valve sensor. If you're having an oxidation issue, that is a sensor, that switch is not working correctly, you can use contact spray or contact cleaner to clean that, blow that switch so that it will clean the insides. And you have to press that manually so the liquid goes in and it cleans out that oxidation issue. So anyway, the main problem here is when the printer cleans, there's a wiper blade that cleans out the head. This is the wiper blade. You see, this is the wiper blade. Okay, the wiper blade comes here and notches onto this. This is the wiper blade cleaning mechanism. Okay, so the wiper blades have a cleaning mechanism. Duh. And this is the gear that is responsible for engaging and disengaging the cam valves. So the problem is, this goes like this, and because of the wiper blades, it gets stuck right there like that, because of the ink that is spraying down onto this gear. It is, you can see that that part just notches out there. There's a gear below that gets stuck on this plastic bottom here. There's a notch there, notch on that bottom. It gets stuck. See, that's the gear. Okay, so this gets stuck, it won't turn the cam valve. The cam valve is turned from this side. The motor on this side is responsible. The feeding roller motors are supposed to turn the cam valve gear and the cam valve itself. When the rotor turns the other side, this comes and hits the cam valve cam. Then it starts to turn the cam. So the problem is, if it gets stuck on this position, sometimes it will just turn, but it won't turn the cam valve. So we get a 6C10 cam valve sensor error. So what you need to do is, you need to take out this wiper blade part. You need to just push it out. It will dislodge. Don't lose it. Use a tweezer or something. You have a chance of getting that inside the printer. You need to clean this out. This is heck of a lot of ink. The ink dries up and it becomes a cream-like substance. Good ink always becomes cream-like, so it doesn't dry off actually. So this cream is causing this the gear to get stuck. So what you need to do is clean it. Clean that part there, and there's a notch just touching that to limit the movement. You need to clean out that notch as well. There's a notch here, notch, and that part you have to clean it out with the cotton swab. You can see the absorbers are right below it. And once you are done cleaning that, you can clean that spring, horizontal spring, that is supposed to keep the wipers in springy movement. So the wiper cleaning blade down, so that when the wipers come, it just sucks off the ink. So once you clean that, you should get that error out of your purge unit. It's a purge unit error. 6110 is a purge unit error. You can replace the entire purge unit. That's going to in Sri Lanka cost around 6,000 to 7,000 rupees for the ip3680. So that is the ip3680 is the Asian version of 3600 in US. And once you get that cleaned out, this will start a proper movement like that. When you turn this in the opposite direction, it should come back and lodge onto the cam. So when the rollers turn the opposite direction, the cam valve is engaging. So if it doesn't get engaged, then you get the cam valve sensor error. So once you clean that out, you should have a free movement on that on this gear here. The spring is actually the reason why it keeps lodging on and lodging off. Okay, so once that is done, you should get that print error out of your printer. So my name is Chiranta. You need to clean that part out, this part also. My name is Chiranta. I am from Sri Lanka. So this is what I do with my printer. So if you found this video useful for repairing your printer, do post a like or comment. Thanks. Okay, bye.